Hey Red Apple Girls, Ashley here and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you several creative ways that you can gift Red Apple lipstick this holiday season. The first gift idea is to do a spa in a jar. I just think it is so cute. So here I have the Rally Balm and Exfoliate Duo, and I also added a microfiber hair towel and a little sleep mask. I also have this crinkle cut paper here. I like to save packaging that I get from like shipments I get skincare and stuff. And I'd like to save it so I can reuse it for gifting, and that's a great way to kind of reuse packaging that way. And I also painted the lid. Obviously that's totally optional, just a little something extra I wanted to do. And I also added a cute little gift tag to add here too. And yeah, I just think it is so cute and would make a great gift. The next idea is also possibly repurposing something that you already have, and that would be brown paper lunch bags and turning them into little gingerbread houses. Isn't it so cute? I love it so much. Basically all you do is you fold the back to make it look like a little house shape, and then I just took a pencil, drew my design, and then outlined it with white puffy paint to make it look like icing, and I just think it is seriously the cutest thing ever. Obviously the smaller one you can fit smaller items in, and then the bigger one you can put more items in it. And yeah, it's so cute. I can't get over it. I will leave a link down below to the blog post where I found this idea from, and I will do the same with the other ideas as well. This next idea is something that is more specific for lipsticks, and that is this really cute little candy box. Now, when I did this, I used kind of flimsy cardstock, so I would recommend that if you were to do this, to use cardstock that is a little bit heavier and a little bit thicker, because it will just be more sturdy that way. This does feel a little bit delicate to me, like it could easily get smashed. But it was actually fairly easy to make, and again I will leave a link down below to the blog post where I found this. They have a template there. You just print that out on cardstock and then cut it out, and then also score it where the dotted lines are. And I decided to decorate mine with some cute little paper here and some really cute little ribbon, and it just is so cute. And you could actually do this even for like Valentine's Day. This would be really cute as well. And I also have, this is kind of what it looks like before you put it together. So it just has a little end. You can just fit the little lipstick in there and then tie up the ends, and it closes super easily with some ribbon like that. It wasn't difficult to put together. You just need a little bit of double-sided sticky tape to stick the edges right here, but other than that it's fairly simple to make, which is great, and it's super cute. I wanted to save my personal favorite for the last, and that would be this little holiday countdown. I specifically had this in mind for our lipstick samples. I just thought it would be so cute and such a fun idea to add little samples to a holiday countdown. I don't have number stickers on mine yet, but I'm going to be adding those soon. I wanted to completely customize this because I have a lot of scrapbook papers that I needed to use up, or wanted to use up. And so I actually found this blank one on Amazon, but of course if you don't have time or you're not super crafty or into paper crafting, you could always find a blank one, probably also on Amazon, and then just fill it up with any kind of little goodies that you would want. I really think that our samples are great for this. I was also thinking like you could do like cute little like allergen friendly little chocolates. It kind of just depends on how big your boxes are. Mine aren't super big, so anything that I would put in them would need to be pretty small, but overall I just thought that this was such a fun idea and I'm absolutely in love with it. I hope that this video has given you some fun creative ideas of how you can gift Red Apple lipstick this holiday season, and again I'm going to have links down below for some of the supplies that I've used, and then also the blog post of where I got these ideas from, so hopefully that'll give you some more inspiration as well. Anyway, thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and take care. Bye!